minus 5. So plus 2 and minus 5, if I want to do an addition, I'm going to add plus 2 and minus 5. If I want to do a subtraction, I'm going to have plus 2 and minus 5. So both, or plus 2 minus plus 5, both are going to yield the same answer, that is negative 3. So technically whatever we do, we are actually doing an addition. So even though we are having a negative sign, what we are going to do is we are going to perform addition itself, but with the negative number. I hope this is clear. To repeat it again, plus 2 minus 5 is same as, minus 2 plus minus 5 is same as minus 2 minus plus 5. So this is pretty basic concept, and it is easy to understand. So let us go about with the understanding how to do a how to perform this particular arithmetic operation. So whenever you see a positive symbol, you simply write down 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 0. This is a positive 2. And if I want a negative number, remember that you need to put an MSB 1 and 4 plus 1, that is, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is 8. So I have already demonstrated it. So if you want, you can go back to the same video and make a note of it. Okay, once that is done, this is the magnitude. You just cannot add or subtract with this. So what we are going to do is we are going to have a 1's complement transformation, then 2's complement transformation, and then we are going to add. So what is the 1's complement of a positive number? The positive number itself, 0 0 1 0. What is the 1's complement of minus 5? That is 1 1 0 1. It is nothing but, keep 1 as it is, 0 1 0. Alright, so adding 1 to this number is nothing but my 2's complement. So 1 0 1 1 will be my 2's complement. The same number will be retained for 1's complement for a positive number. So in case you want to check what is the 1's complement of we need ultimately 2's complement. So what is the 2's complement of 2? That is a positive 2. Here it is nothing but 2 itself. What is the 2's complement of minus 5? Minus 5 is here, 1 1 0 1. I am going to get a minus 3. So we have already got minus 3 here. So you can directly, if you remember the table, you can directly go to this, or if you don't remember the table and you don't want to memorize the table, you can go through this particular method, that is taking the magnitude, taking 1's complement, taking 2's complement, and then adding. So once you are adding, you get this particular result. You are taking the 2's complement of minus 5 and 2's complement of plus 2. This is what we are going to get. So if you remember the table, 1 1 0 1 is nothing but minus 3. 1 1 0 1 is a negative 5 in magnitude, but 2's complement is minus 3. So this is what we have already got. So the final answer will be in 2's complement method. So positive 2 minus 5, we are going to take only the magnitude of only the MSB 1 as for negative symbol, and rest of the things are as it is, as simple as 2 written as 0 0 1 0 and minus 5 written as MSB 1, and rest of the things are as it is. So we are not going to directly add this. I am going to repeat the whole procedure again. We are not going to add the magnitudes, we are not going to add the 1's complement. What we are interested is in only the 2's complement. So this is what we are going to get, and this answer is in 2's complement form. So revert back into regular magnitude, we are going to get a minus 3. So this is happening in only when it is a different sign arithmetic operation, that is plus 2 and minus 5. We are going to add plus 2 and minus 5. If it is minus 2 and plus 5 also is the same procedure, we are going to just simply get a different sign, that is a positive 3. So just try to understand, and we will start with the next example. Okay, let us consider a few more examples. I have already told you how to do the addition operation with the help of 2's complement. I am just going to say directly, instead of going through the same procedure, a lengthy procedure. We already have the table, and we already have the few operations which we have already seen. So let me just tell you how it looks like. Okay, plus 2 and plus 3 is easy. Plus 4 and minus 6. Plus 4 is 0 1 1, sorry, 0 1 0 0 is mine plus 4, and minus 6 is I've already got from here. Minus 6 is this, and it is in, it looks it is written as minus 2 in 2's complement. So minus 2 is minus, and this is 2. This is minus, that is MSB1, and this is 2. We can directly remember and write it as it is. What we are going to get is a minus 2. This is minus, and this operation is minus 2, because minus 2 is in 2's complement form. So minus 2 is here, and it is 1 1 1 0. So this is a simple operation where we have a different sign. I have already given an example of plus 2 and minus